Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best long-handled toenail clippers is probably one of the most sought-after tools for seniors and individuals with limited mobility, offering a convenient and effective solution for nail care. This video will review the top-rated long-handled toenail clippers on the market, comparing features, ease of use, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect clipper for maintaining healthy and well-groomed toenails from the comfort of your home, without the need for bending or straining. Number 5. Senior Toenail Clippers Kit. This kit is designed to make nail care easier and more comfortable for seniors. It includes everything you need for a perfect trim. These clippers feature a sharp, curved blade and a comfortable rubber handle, perfect for thick or ingrown nails. They're designed for ease of use. The unique rotating head lets you find the perfect angle, no matter your flexibility. It's ideal for those with arthritis or limited dexterity. This clever design keeps your nails contained during clipping, for a clean and easy experience. No more messy clippings. The kit also includes an ingrown toenail file, nail lifter, cuticle pusher, and a convenient stainless steel storage box. Everything you need is neatly organized. With this comprehensive kit, nail care becomes simple and stress-free. Enjoy beautifully trimmed nails with ease. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a complete nail care. The rotating head clipper helps you reach any angle easily. If you value convenience and a comprehensive solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a nice set that is sharp and works well on tough nails. Super high quality design and construction. Not too heavy. Easy to use. These clippers are very well made and easy to use. Durable and sharp. Number 4. Toenail Clippers for Seniors. Do you struggle with thick or ingrown toenails? It has razor-sharp blades and a wide opening to easily cut even the toughest nails. Say goodbye to expensive podiatrist visits. These clippers provide a smooth, clean cut without pulling or tearing. The 35-degree arc fits the nail's natural curve for precise trimming, even of ingrown nails. With a soft, anti-slip handle, it's comfortable and easy to control, even for those with weak hands. No more worries about it slipping. These clippers are designed to make cutting thick toenails effortless and less painful. Experience easy and precise trimming every time. Looking for a practical gift? This makes a thoughtful and useful present for seniors or anyone with thick nails. It's a gift they'll truly appreciate. What we like. It's designed to tackle even the toughest nails with ease. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. If you have thick, hard toenails, this clipper will be your new best friend. What people say. The instruments in this pedicure kit are of excellent quality. Both sets of clippers are comfortable to handle and easy to maintain a grip upon. These seem well made and sturdy. It's a nice set. I've got thick toenails and this set makes easy work of them. After I figured out the operator error, it's worked like a charm. Number 3. Senior Complete Nail Clipper Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for comfortable nail trimming at home. It includes clippers designed for thick nails, a rotating head clipper for easy maneuvering, and a file for smoothing. Its extra-wide opening easily accommodates large, thick nails. The sharp blades make quick work of trimming, even ingrown or fungal nails, without causing pain. The long handles and rotating head provide excellent leverage and control, reducing strain and making it suitable for people with arthritis or limited dexterity. It's perfect for both right and left-handed users. Made from premium stainless steel, these clippers are built to last a lifetime. The sharp blades ensure precise and efficient cuts every time. While ideal for seniors, this kit makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who wants to easily maintain their nails at home. It's a practical and useful present for all ages. No need for multiple tools. This set includes everything you need: clippers, a rotating head clipper, a file, and a convenient storage bag. It's the ultimate solution for all your nail care needs. What we like. These clippers are designed for ease of use, especially for those with limited dexterity. The long handles and wide opening make trimming nails effortless. If you are looking for leverage and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The clippers cut the nails effortlessly. We've been through a million nail kits in our household and this one is awesome. We got it specifically for the black-handled tool and it cut right through thick toenails. Turns out the clippers with the handle that rotates are a pretty handy item that I would buy separately if I had to now that I know how useful they are, not only for getting my toenails at the weird angle I have to sit in to reach them but also for cutting my son's nails with a lot less having to move around to get to and stay at the right angle. Number 2. Senior Toenail Clipper Set. Say goodbye to struggling with thick toenails. These clippers are designed for easy, safe trimming, relieving pain from ingrown nails. The unique double spring mechanism makes trimming a breeze. Just remember to use only one spring at a time for optimal performance. With its wide, curved blade, it easily handles even the toughest nails. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. This isn't just a clipper, it's a complete 7-piece kit. You'll find everything you need for a professional manicure and pedicure at home. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable and rust-resistant. Plus, the compact design and leather case make it perfect for travel. We're so confident you'll love these clippers. They come with a lifetime warranty and a 360-day satisfaction guarantee. What we like? The curved blade precisely cuts ingrown nails without pain. The double spring design ensures smooth operation. If you need a versatile kit with multiple tools, this is the one for you. What people say. These clippers are incredibly sharp and precise, making the task of trimming my toenails quick and effortless. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in my hand, allowing for easy maneuverability, even in those tricky angles. The non-slip grip is a fantastic feature, ensuring that I have complete control while using them. I also love how easy they are to clean, which is a huge plus for maintaining hygiene. Great for thicker toenails. Good quality and a nice storage case. Number 1. XIORRY Ingrown Toenail Clippers. It features sharp blades for a clean cut. The slim design easily reaches under the nail to remove thick or ingrown nails. Made of surgical-grade stainless steel, they're rust-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. Enjoy a sharp, sturdy clipper that won't rust or leave jagged edges. The embedded spring makes these clippers user-friendly, especially for seniors. There's no need to worry about the spring breaking or falling out. The extra long handles provide superior grip and leverage, perfect for people with arthritis or limited dexterity. The non-slip design ensures comfortable and controlled trimming. Specifically designed for ingrown toenails, it's also great for removing dirt and trimming nails. It comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? It provides excellent leverage and control, making nail trimming easy and comfortable. The embedded spring adds to its user-friendliness. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, this is an excellent option. What people say. The product is of professional quality, with great nail cutting ability. The small ends make precision cutting a dream, and these even come in a holster pouch. As we age, our toenails get thicker and reaching them to trim them becomes difficult. Easy to handle, precision cutting, and because of how they are used compared to the tweezer-type nail clippers, I can actually do a great job cutting my nails, no matter how thick they are. These nippers are very sharp and angled in such a way that you can get into the tightest crevice along the side of your ingrown toenail. Excellent toenail nippers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.